Okay. Good morning to our beloved school head, dear parents, guardians, learners, teachers, and dedicated Brigada Escuela volunteers. A warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. And welcome to our 2025 School Orientation Program here at Magsaysay Elementary School. This annual orientation serves as an essential platform for communicating key information about our school systems, policies, academic expectations, and learner support services. More importantly, it signifies the beginning of our collective journey. A school year we hope will be defined by collaborative and meaningful learning. We would like also to express our sincere appreciation to Sir Alvin Arnel de Pedro.